Jai Hind class 9th students. Children, today we will have a quick revision of lesson 1 in geography, India, size and location. Okay? So let us know the important facts about India. So children, the first fact is India lies in the northern hemisphere. It lies in एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट. भारत नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में स्थित है और एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट में आता है. द लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट ऑफ इंडिया इज 8.4 डिग्री नॉर्थ टू 37.6 डिग्री नॉर्थ. ओके, so about 30 degree latitude extent it has, longitudinal extent. Okay, now the latitude, this is longitudinal extent and this is latitudinal extent. 68.7 degree east to 97.25 degree east. Okay, now Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal halves and it passes through 8 states. Tropic of Cancer इंडिया को लगभग दो बराबर हिस्सों में बांट देता है और यह लगभग 8 राज्यों से होकर गुजरता है. इंडिया ऑक्युपाइज 2.4% ऑफ लैंड इन द वर्ल्ड. भारत पूरे विश्व के भूभाग का 2.4% एक्वायर करता है. ओके, इट्स एरिया इज 3.28 मिलियन स्क्वायर किलोमीटर. इट इज द 7th लार्जेस्ट कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड इन एरिया. यह भूखंड के मामले में विश्व का 7वां सबसे बड़ा देश है. ओके, इंडिया इज अ peninsular country. भारत कैसा देश है? पेनिनसुलर देश है. What do you understand by the word peninsular? Peninsular means a piece of land which is covered or surrounded by water from 3 sides. It is called peninsular. Okay, so India is a peninsular land and what are 3 water bodies? Indian Ocean in the south, Bay of Bengal in east, and Arabian Sea in west. India is located in the central part of Asia. It is surrounded by Himalayan mountain ranges in the east. Himalayan mountain lies in the east, okay, and it safeguards the country from foreign invasion and enemy countries, and the three oceans and seas, Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, provides a important strategic location to India from its enemies countries, okay. And children, one interesting fact is कि before 1947 there were two types of states prevailing in India, okay. First were princely states and second was provinces. 1947 से पहले बच्चों भारत में दो तरीके के राज्य पाए जाते थे, रजवाड़े यानी इसके these were ruled directly by the prince, kings and queens and indirectly by the Britishers, and second was provinces, ये राज्य होते थे, these were directly ruled by the British government, okay. Now children, at present there are 28 states and 9 union territories. In India, okay. So these are some important facts about India. What I want from you people, you have to just go through the whole lesson and try to make notes by your own. If you are feeling uneasy, then I will help you. So children, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.